Hello everyone, my name is Bahadur Modi and I am an English and SS teacher in Sarjanan English Middle School at Nathe Juna, and today I am taking English, Standard 8, Chapter number 4, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. It's a very interesting chapter. It's about lapse memory. What is meaning of lapse of memory? That means you forget what happened in the previous, right? I think you have seen the movie of Ghazni. That in that movie, the hero of that movie lapses his memory. He just forget it what happened in the past. Yeah, you can say that you have not enough memory to memorize everything. The very interesting, very funny, and very uh, you know very surprise story this one. So very interesting this one. So I'm going to read every line by line and explain by myself to you, right? So please listen very carefully, and this is very interesting story and very suspense story. So before I read, here some notes. Do you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any trick on you? That means here the narrator want to ask to us, कि do you have a good memory? We have lots of experience about our memory. We forget many things, right? Because our memory has some limit. Actually, our memory has no limitation, but because of our intention, because of our activity, we just forget many things. So this is the forgetfulness often puts you into the tight spot. Sometimes we forget many things. Sometimes our father or our parents give instruction that do it like this way, and we just forget it. So that thing make to trouble us, right? So forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot, but forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. Yeah, it is true. Suddenly you just forget it. If I give you homework and you forget it, and I will ask you, have you completed a homework? Yeah, did you do your homework? So you tell me, I just forget it. So some few things that you not memorize, and that time sometime you will be in a trouble. Yeah, that will be make you in a crazy situation. So because he cannot recall to his stay and Rachi, and now this is about who is the main character of this story. I am going to read it. In this story about Bipin Chaudhary. Bipin Chaudhary is our lead character of this story. Bipin Chaudhary. Please memorize. So Bipin Chaudhary is our lead character of this chapter. Bipin Chaudhary goes nearly crazy because he cannot recall his stay at Ranchi. Please underline this one. In this point, exactly story about Bipin Chaudhary, and he cannot recall. Recollect, that means he cannot recall. Recall, that means he cannot memorize. He cannot revile that thing that he passed into the Ranchi when he stay at Ranchi. Ranchi is one of the place city name. Ranchi, Mahendra Singh Dhoni Ranchi, right? So he just didn't memorize that what happened when I was in Ranchi, right? He can't recall it. He try his best, but he didn't memorize everything, right? He can't recall it. He can't revise the things. He can't memorize the things. That is that story about it. He has never been to Ranchi, and he insists, though there are many witnesses to the contrary. What is the suspense of all about it? See, he just thought that Bipin Chaudhary, I never been to Ranchi, but he just he's just telling to himself that I have never been to Ranchi. So, but many people who evident against the Bipin Chaudhary's that you have been to Ranchi, right? But Bipin Chaudhary said that I have never been to Ranchi. So this is the contractual situation happened, and that his mind is going to crazy because he has no idea about his memories. He don't know I went to he don't know I am go to Ranchi or not. I don't know I am stayed Ranchi or not. He had just just lose his mind. He is out of control of his mind because one of the incident of his life is just near pass away, and he didn't memorize anything. One incident he didn't memorize, है ना? So ये जो this the story is very funny and very suspicious. How it is exactly happened and what are the end of the story, that very interestingly. So very very interesting this chapter, like like a spy story, like this one. So, hello student. Now I am going to read the every line. So please listen carefully and use your hands, please, so you can my voice clearly reach you. Right. So now I am going to start first phase of this chapter. Every Monday, this is the routine of Bipin Chaudhary's. This is about the Bipin Chaudhary's routine. Every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kali Charan's in New Market to buy book. See, in the every Monday, Bhupin Chandra regularly just went to the Kali Charan shop and buy a new book. Which are the book Bipin Chandra liked more? These are the books: crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers. These are the stories which is liked too much. Bipin Chandra liked too much this kind of story: crime story, ghost story, thriller story. This kind of story Bipin Chandra liked more. And every day, as usual, regular base, when he just came to home, he went to home. Sorry, came to home, right, and way back from home, right. Just Bipin Chaudhary just take the drop at particular place. This is New Market place and Kali Charan shops, New Market. Right, he just buy a books, a crime story, ghost story, and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. He just buy a 5 story for the whole weeks, right? Because every Monday he every Monday he and goes there and buy the books for 5 books every Monday. He buy for a full week. Sorry, for full week, for the through week. He now where he lived alone. He just, see, in this first page, what is the routine of Bipin Chaudhary's, what Bipin Chandra liked, disliked, where he lived, how he lived, all the things this in this paragraph. He lived alone, lonely. He has no anyone to live with him. Was not a good mixer. Was not a good mixer, right? Had a few friends. He has a very few friends. He is not a good mixer. That means he has not a very friendly relation. He just want to live alone, like this kind of nature. He is not a good mixer. That means he don't want to interact with many people, and didn't like spending time in a idle chat. So he don't like to talk with people and idle chat. That means gossip with the people and talk with the people, right? So he don't like this kind of idle chat. Today, at the Kali Charan's shop that he regularly, every Monday he buy the books, right? Today at Kali Charan's Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. Today, that means now story is starting. In this day, the Kali Charan observed that someone had the feeling, but Bipin Chandra had a feeling that someone is observing, someone is staring him from close quarters and some far distance. He turned round and found himself looking at round faced, right. See, he just turned round and found himself looking at round face, right. But meek looking man who now broke into a smile, meek and quite humble. So he just turned himself and just look out who is staring me, who is looking at me. So he just find out one man who with the smile, he is a humble face. He just give to smile. He just give smile to Bipin Chaudhary's. I don't suppose you recognize me. I think those men who were looking at Bipin Chaudhary, he just talking to Bipin Chaudhary. He just tell to Bipin Chaudhary that I don't suppose you recognize me. That particular meek looking man telling to Bipin Chaudhary this one. I don't suppose you recognize me. He just told me, I don't think so. You know me. Have we met before? He just asked, have we met before? Asked Bipin Chandra. Now Bipin Chandra reply. Bipin Chandra just asked to that man, that meek looking man, okay, have we met before? The man looked greatly surprised. That man who just greatly surprised, he just looking surprised. We met every day for a whole week. That man told to Bipin Chaudhary that we met every week, every day for a whole week. Every day for a whole week, just tell him that we met every day for a whole week. That means in the one of the week that we meet every week, every day on the particular one week. I arrange for a car to take you to the Woodrow Falls. See, that man told to the Bipin Chaudhary that we met full week in the end every day. The one kind of incident happened in the past. So he just want to explain that in the week we meet every day, and I arrange for you a car to take you to the Woodrow Falls. So that man now told to Bipin Chaudhary that when you visit, once time you want to visit, you came to visit Woodrow Falls, that time I arrange a car for you. This kind of incident he just want to try to explain to Bipin Chaudhary. Now see here the picture we just discussed. This is the Kali Charan's with the with the spag Kali Charan check shirts. He just sitting on his chair. He's a book of Kali Charan. This is the the bald man. This is the old man. This Bipin Chaudhary, and this man who is staring at to the Bipin Chaudhary. This one talking to the I arranged to car to you at when you want to visit the when you want to visit at Woodrow Falls and all that. So now the story further continue. In 1958, right? So what actually happened? So I arranged for a car to take you the Woodrow Falls in 1958. He just try to recall the memory of Bipin Chaudhary that I arranged car for you in 1958. That time you came to here and you came to Ranchi, and I just managed to you want to see the Woodrow Falls, and I arranged to car in 1958 in Ranchi. My name is Parimal Ghosh. So that man name is Parimal Ghosh. So Parimal Ghosh explained everything. You don't recognize me. The Bipin Chaudhary asked me, no, I don't recognize me. Have we met again? Have we met before? So that man just told to Bipin Chaudhary that look, Bipin Chaudhary, we met full days, full every week, one of week, every days. And if you don't memorize Bipin Chaudhary, so I arranged to car. You want to visit the Woodrow Falls, right, in Ranchi in 1958. You did not memorize anything, Bipin Chaudhary. So he told to Bipin Chaudhary, my name is Parimal Ghosh. His name is Parimal Ghosh. Ranchi. Bipin Chaudhary surprisingly said Ranchi, because Bipin Chaudhary never been to Ranchi. This kind of things in his mind. So he just Ranchi. Bipin Chaudhary replied like surprisingly Ranchi. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not B but this man who was making a mistake. Now Bipin Chaudhary realized that his man has something misunderstanding, something miscommunication. I think that man have observed other man, and he just look at to me, and there's something misunderstanding for this man. So Bipin Chaudhary realized that something wrong is that I think that Mr. Parimal Ghosh have some wrong confusion. So that's why he just told me you went to Ranchi or not. This kind of thinking going on in the Bipin Chaudhary's mind. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of the going several times. Bipin Chaudhary want to go to always Ranchi for visiting Woodrow Falls and all that. But he hadn't managed to go. He hadn't managed to gone there, right? So, but never made it. But it's not come to true for Bipin Chaudhary. He smiled and said, "Do you know who am I?" So Bipin Chaudhary just smiled and said, "Do you know who am I?" This all things is going on Bipin Chaudhary's mind. Okay, I think that man has some miscommunication and misunderstanding, and he accidentally recognized to wrong way, because Bipin Chaudhary have an idea that he had never been to Ranchi. He had never been to Ranchi, and he had a plan to want to go to Ranchi, but it's not made it true. It's never been made it. That means he not fulfill it. So he just smiled and said, "Do you know who am I?" The man, that Parimal Ghosh, the man raised his eyebrow. That Parimal Ghosh raised his eyebrow like this way, raised his eyebrow, beat his tongue, that beat his tongue, and said, and said, and said, do I know you? Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Do I know you? Obviously I know you. Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? So he just Parimal Ghosh explained that everyone knows the Parimal Chaudhary this like. Bipin Babu now turned toward the booksellers and said, he just turned to the booksellers and said that still you are making a mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi. So he just people said this stick on his point. That you have some still have a mistake. You are making a mistakes. You are still making a mistake, and one often does. That means you have many of that. One of you are. And I have never been to Ranchi. The stick on his point. I have never been to Ranchi. The man now laughed aloud. The man now laughed aloud because Bipin Chaudhary replied that guy never been to Ranchi. That the man laughed aloud. What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? The Parimal Ghosh said that, Mr. Chaudhary, what are you saying? You had a fall in Hurro and cut your right knee. See, he just give evidence. Okay, you were at Ranchi. So what that this one here? You had a fall in Woodrow place, he just fall down Bipin Chaudhary and Bipin Chaudhary cut his right knee. I bought you iodine, so he just bought iodine for Bipin Chaudhary because he cut his right knee. I had fixed up a car for you to go to the Netherhut the next day, but you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. See, he had fixed up the car. He arranged to car and for go to the Netherhut and next day Netherhut, right? Go to the Netherhut the next day, but you couldn't. You couldn't. That means Vipin couldn't go to the Netherhut because of the pain of his knee. The Bipin Chandra has a pain at that time, had a pain at that time, so he couldn't go to the Netherhut, and that Mr. Parimal Ghosh arranged a car for that, but Bipin Chandra couldn't go there. Can't you recall anything? He just try to recall. That means he just Mr. Chaudhary, Mr. Parimal Ghosh try to recall memories to Bipin Chaudhary. You can't recall your memory, Bipin Chaudhary. Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. He just tried to Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bungalow, right? You said you didn't like hotel and food and would prefer to have your meal cooked by a bawarchi. See, just all the incident happened at Ranchi. Just try to explain everything, and he just Parimal Ghosh want to try to recall the memory of Parimal Ghosh. At Ranchi, you have a friend that is Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed at home in his bungalow, Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee bungalow, and you also said that I don't like hotel food. I also like to I also prepare to food like food that made by the cooked, right. Cook, that means bawarchi. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. Everything just explained Parimal Ghosh. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing, remember? He also explained the one more story that you have a more argument with the moon landing. And Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing. Remember? I will tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books. Is it true? That means he just want to recall everything about the habit that have a Bipin Chaudhary, that you always carry one bag, that in that bag particular there is a books in it on your side seeing trips, right? In the side saying trip, always you want to seeing the side trip hill station like this way. His eyes still on the books. That means his eyes still on the book. Bipin Chandra eyes were still on the books. Which month in 58 you are talking about? Right. In which month in 58? That means 1958 are you talking about? The man said October. Vipin Chandra said that which month in 1958 are you talking about? So all the story which is told by the Parimal Ghosh, and Vipin Chandra asked to that Parimal Ghosh that which month are you talking about in 1985, 1958. The man said October 1958. No sir, said Bipin Babu. Bipin Babu said that no sir, you have a, obviously still have a confusion. I spent puja in 1958 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake. So Bipin Chandra just recall his memory and told to that man that I spent puja, that means ritual puja, in 1958 in October with a friend in Kanpur. So I just want to explain that you are talking about October scenario. In the October 1958, I was at my friend house and there is a puja at in Kanpur, right? So you are making mistake. Good day. He just say bye bye to that Parimal Ghosh. But the man didn't go. But the man, that means Parimal Ghosh, didn't go, nor did he stop talking, and nor did he stop. He just continuously talking with Bipin Chaudhary, and he no go anywhere. He didn't go anywhere. He just talking with the Mr. Parimal Ghosh, with the Bipin Chaudhary. Very strange. One evening I had tea with you in a veranda of your Bangalore. So that man Parimal Ghosh said that very strange. It's quite surprised that one evening I had a tea with you. That means he had a tea with Mr. Bipin Chaudhary in veranda of your bungalow. That means Bipin Chandra bungalow. You spoke about your family. You also spoke about your family. That means that man have information about Bipin Chandra's family. You said, that means Bipin Chandra said to that man had no children. That means Bipin Chandra had no children, and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. And he also give personal information about Bipin Chaudhary that Bipin Chandra, you had lost your wife before 10 years. That you had lost your wife before 10 years. That is personal information. Bipin Chandra has no children and he had lost his wife before 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane. Right. So Bipin Chandra had only one brother. He died because of insane mentalness, which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital at Ranchi. That's why you don't want to visit that why you didn't want to visit a mental hospital at Ranchi, because of your brother had died insane, because your only one brother had died insane because of the mentalness, right? So you don't want to visit the mental hospital. That's why. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books, when the Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. That man, that Parimal Ghosh, just looking at two people, like, how it is possible? I told everything. I told about Bipin Chandra's family. I told about Bipin Chandra's incident, about his brother, about his wife, about his child, about his habit, about his daily routines, everything that I recall and that I told every details. But just he didn't recognize me. This kind of expression on that particular man have, that Parimal Ghosh have, right? So now this page now complete utter disbelief, that means completely surprised. Utter disbelief, that means completely surprised, because I gave all the detail and he didn't believe. That's called utter disbelief, right? So here the comparison check. Why did the man stare at the Bipin Babu's in disbelief? Right? Why did the man stare at Bipin Babu in disbelief? Where did Bipin Babu say he went in October, and mention any three or more things that Parimal Ghosh knew about Bipin Chaudhary? See, all the comparison do yourself, right? I will send you solution in our group, in our WhatsApp group, right, student? So don't worry, you do yourself. Check out all the answer from every incident I explained myself. Why did the man stare? You recall your memory also. And where did the Bipin Babu say he went in October 58, his friend Pooja et al. All the comparison check do yourself, right? We just post this video now, and the next phase we will continue in next video, right? So please stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.